Guys, I have amazing idea for you guys to make some money in 2024. This is idea that I'm making from since last year, 2023, and as you guys could see in my Christmas movies, Christmas films, I make decoration for parties. So I think it's a very good business that nobody cares about, and maybe if you guys put some energy into it and buy some very cheap tools, you guys could make a very good money too. So this is a niche work. It's a woodworking niche. You can do it with iron as well, but I don't think it's that good of the solution because you need to learn not a lot of things, and wood is so much simpler. So in my case, I focus in the beginning on letters. I have a lot of letters that I will show you. I have like 30 or 40 letters downstairs and new ones here that I can show you. I will show you. So this is my new letters. I made like the word love yesterday. This is for renting for the weddings or so on. This so how do I do this? I do this with wood. This is pine wood, and after I do the letters, I put some words like love or something in a classified website, and I rent all or the sets or just by letters. If the normally this is for weddings and so on, and for birthdays, and people want just one letter or three letters and so on. So I think you guys, this is like this set of the word love. I think would make me at least in my country that is not US. I think this should make at least 50 euros per day, the whole set. And I rent the water letters that I will show you for 25 each. So normally a wedding is 75 euros per day. And this is a side hustle that everyone can do it if you have some space and a jigsaw, some glue and a screwdriver. So you need a screwdriver. This is a very cheap screwdriver from a local brand. This costs I think 100 euros. It's not the most cheap one, but it's a very good one. I think I have this for 3 years now and make a lot of money with it. So for glue, I use a normal glue. This is wood glue, not that fancy. This is a D3, so it could resist to water. It's very important because your letters sometimes may go outside and it could rain. If you don't have this, the letters could disintegrate themselves. So you need to take this in mind. And I have this jigsaw as well. As you see, is a Stanley Fat Max. This costs around. This is a 340. This costs around I think $100 or 100 euros more or less. It's a very good machine. Already come with 3 blades, 2 or 3 blades I think. It's a very good machine. You can adjust the power, and I think it's a very good machine for this because the only thing you need is to cut the letters. So you make, in my case, I made a plan. So this is good. You made a scale like each square is like 20 centimeters for me. It is. So you draw the letter in the scale, and you just print with a pen the scale in the wood and cut it, and you have the letter. So that's it. I will show you my other letters for explanation. So as you see, this is a T. This is a different type of letter because you put lights on it. That other one is to decorate with flowers and so on. So there are different types. At least in the beginning, focus on one type. It's better for you because you will need to have a lot of letters like we do. I think we have like 30 or 40. because we have some here and some rented right now. So yes, this is a good business. I think it's a good side hustle. From this you can do a lot of things. I made swings, I made photo booths, I made a lot of things. So but this is the start. I think it's a good way for anyone with 16 and above to do like pretty money on the side. So I think, I don't know what you think about it, but if you like the idea, just subscribe and leave me a comment if you have some ideas to do with decoration for weddings or birthdays or something like that. I will check it and maybe I will do it. I don't know. So I see you next time. Thank you.